Okay, here's a third example. Find sine inverse of sine of 2 pi over 3. Now 2 pi over 3 is not in the range of sine inverse, so those don't just cancel. It is in the domain of sine x because all real numbers are, so that checks. I just graph in the CS plane, 2/3 pi. I find it's in quadrant 2. The sine inverse is in quadrant 1 or 4, so we need a terminal side in quadrant 1 or 4 with angles x prime such that sine of 2 pi over 3 equals opposite over hypotenuse equals sine of x prime. Okay, so I just redrew this. So the sign has to be the same, so the sign is positive on the left here, so it has to be positive the same amount on the right, so it has to be in quadrant 1. And it's opposite like this. Okay, because this sign is the same as that sign. Remember, sign is the height in the CS plane. So angles with these terminal sides have the same sign. So we use this terminal side because it's in quadrant 1 or 2, 1 or 4. Specifically, it's in quadrant. Right? Specifically, it's in quadrant 1. So this is pi over 3. Right? Because sine inverse is in there. So sine inverse of sine of 2 pi over 3 equals pi over 3. The sine inverse and the sine don't actually cancel.